Changing your phone number on Webull is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Open the Webull app. Launch the Webull app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Tap on it to view your current contact details. Step 4. Edit phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Tap on the edit icon or change next to your current phone number to enter your new number. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering your new phone number, you will likely receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to confirm the change. Make sure to double-check your new phone number for accuracy. Following these steps will ensure your contact information is up to date on Webull.